are back to our kitchen. A couple videos ago was about Cambodia, and the last video was the cute introduction of my son. His name is Chai Sun, and he loves to eat all types of food. So I feel like this video specifically is about what kind of food I love to prepare for him. And today I'm going to show you one simple, quick, easy recipe. And we will have the eggplant all peeled. I like to usually keep the peels on, and but for Chai Sun, he's still growing his teeth out, so we don't want any chewy pieces in his food, so I just completely peeled everything off. We both really enjoy this dish with over plain steamed jasmine rice. Now let's begin. Starting with high heat, we're going to put the eggplant in first before the olive oil. Because the eggplant is harder to cook and it will absorb the oil very quickly if you put the oil first while it's hot. So this way we will need less oil and we will have really cooked soft eggplants. Toss that continuously for a couple seconds. After a few seconds, we will need to put in the garlic, but make sure you set a little room for the garlic to be on its own on the same pan, and throw in the rest of the olive oil. I'm going to add water, just half of the water that we have. So this will make sure the eggplant is cooked thoroughly and they will become really tender. And cover that. Make sure you find the right cover for the pan. Okay, I always have a hard time finding the right cover. I need to start labeling them. Okay, this is just a few minutes after. Eggplant is now cooked and really soft. Chai Sun is already excited. Can you tell? Now it's time to add some peas and carrots. And just tossing that a few seconds, making sure that the eggplant is fully dried from the excess water. Since it's a stir-fry dish, we do not want it too liquidy. And now go ahead and add the thick soy sauce. This sauce is sweeter, so with the eggplant, it's such a really plain flavor vegetables. We're going to add some sweetness to this. And now let's add the scallions, and that's it. We're done. You can turn off the heat and it's ready. Make sure you cook your rice ahead of time. I usually forget to do that, so sometimes I have my stir-fried and food all ready, and we're waiting on the rice. Everyone can make this dish at home, and I'm sure that your kids will love this one recipe. Wow.